Of everyone involved in government, it's the public that has the most important role, and at no time is that more apparent than on Election Day. In Idaho, nearly all citizens ages 18 and older can vote in May primary elections and November general elections. You can register to vote ahead of time at voteidaho.gov or at the polls. Primary elections are for political parties to choose their candidate for the general election. Some parties require you be a member to vote in their primary, but any registered voter can participate in the general election. Primary and general election ballots include federal offices, like president and members of Congress, and statewide offices, like governor, lieutenant governor, and the legislature, plus local offices like city council and county commissioners. They can also include judicial elections, school boards, and bonds and levies. There are also March and August elections, which are typically limited to bonds and levies as well as recalls. For election dates and sample ballots, visit your county clerk's website. But citizens' participation doesn't have to end at the ballot box. Idaho law mandates that meetings of governing boards be open to the public. These meetings often allow public testimony on specific agenda items, and some have general public comment periods. Check the meeting agenda before you go to find out if you need to sign up ahead of time to speak. Governing boards and commissions must post meeting notices and agendas on their websites. Outside of public meetings, you can contact your elected officials to express your concerns by calling, writing emails or letters, or setting up meetings in person. But those aren't the only ways to make your voice heard. The U.S. Constitution protects your right to protest and peaceably assemble, though gatherings can be limited by local statutes. And the Idaho Constitution allows citizens to put initiatives on the ballot. Those initiatives are kicked off by gathering signatures from registered voters throughout the state. If organizers gather enough signatures that qualify under Idaho law, the initiative is put on the ballot in that upcoming general election. Citizens can use that same signature gathering process to get a recall election on the ballot. And of course, you could run for office yourself. Contact the Secretary of State or your county clerk for filing deadlines and requirements.